In this video, we're going to go over some treatment options for heart failure. Now, these treatment options can include lifestyle changes like exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, limiting salt intake, and maintaining a healthy weight. It's important to limit alcohol consumption, and it's very important to stop smoking. Your healthcare provider may prescribe several different kinds of medications, some that might control your high blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol, and some to control your heart failure. And it is very important that you take those medications as prescribed by your doctor. Sometimes your physician may recommend surgery or other procedures. As your heart failure worsens over time, pressure can change in the pulmonary artery. This is the artery that carries blood from the right ventricle into the lungs to get oxygen and be recycled through the body. Those pressure changes can be monitored and measured using the CardioMEMS HF system to help your doctor manage your heart failure.